Hello, hello, hello there. Well, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, I got a good one and a quickie for you. Let's make a blueberry walnut loaf for breakfast. Why not? You eat muffins, right? Well, instead of putting them in a muffin pan, we're gonna make it into a loaf pan, okay? Blueberry walnut loaf, and we're going to be making it with Bisquick. It's lots of things that you can make with Bisquick mix. So I'm going to start showing you some of these different things that you can do, from battering meat to anything you could think of, okay? Okay, so let's do it. Let's do it. Thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Share the video. Subscribe. Comment. Thank you. Let's do that now. Alright. Okay, so I have here 2 1/4 cups of the Bisquick mix. So here's my cup measure, 2 of these, and 1/4 cup measure. Okay? Okay. So now you caught up with me. Let's do it. Okay, so I have 3 tablespoons of butter that I melted in the microwave for 1 minute. 3 tablespoons of butter. That's going to give us the fat and the flavor we need. Okay, now let me get my measuring spoons. Let's do, I would like to do a tablespoon of vanilla. I want to really bring that flavor up. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. If you have pure vanilla, it's okay. I'm using imitation. It doesn't matter, okay? Okay, now we're going to add some milk. Now this is where we're going to add a little at a time. And this is, okay, I'm going to put in 1/4 cup first. Which this is a 1/2 cup measure, so I'm only filling it halfway. See that? I'm probably going to have to add some more, but we'll see. Okay, let's mix this and see where we're at. Oh, we're definitely going to need more milk. Okay, another 1/2. Okay, so now we're up to a 1/2 cup of milk. Totally a 1/2 cup of milk. And I can see we need even more. Okay, so we're going to do another 1/4. So now we're to 3/4 total of milk. 3/4 cups of milk total. And no, I'm not there yet. Another 1/4. Okay, so now we're on a total 1 cup of milk. Okay, I want to thin this out some, so I'm going to go to water now, because if I put more milk, it will get thicker. Okay, so now I'm going to add 1/2 cup of water. So we gonna mix this in. And the purpose of this exercise is to just show you that you can try things, right? You have something in your cabinet, and let's say you need to use it, because one thing you don't want is to date to expire, right? Just say, well, what can I make with this? And just be creative. Okay, this is the consistency I'm looking for. See, it's pouring a little. Okay, it's not watery, but it's not thick. Okay, so we got there. Okay. Okay, so if I just put these blueberries right into the mix, it's going to turn the whole thing like a dark grayish bluish color. And you don't want that, because presentation is everything. This is the loaf pan that I'm using. I already put some oil around the edges, and for your purpose I'm just going to put another couple of drops. Okay, I'm just going to move that around. Okay, so we're good because I already did the edges, guys. Okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour, well, I'm going to actually dip it in half of this batter. So I put half in, you see. Now I'm going to take my hand and place the blueberries here, there, and everywhere. Okay, I have them all in. Let me show you. Okay. Now I'm going to put the balance of the batter on top of the blueberries. Make sure you spread it over all the blueberries. Don't put it in just one spot. Okay, that's what we're looking like with our second layer. Now I have a half a cup of walnuts. I'm just gonna put the walnuts on the top. And again, you want to spread it out. And that's what we're looking like with the walnuts. Okay, so we're going to bake this on 350 degrees until it turns a brown tone on the top, and also when you can stick a butter knife in and it comes out clean. Okay, and I'll show you as we go along. Okay, I'll be right back with the word of the day. I'm going to put this in the oven. Thanks. Okay guys, our Bisquick walnut blueberry loaf is out. It's been out for about 40 minutes and it's cool enough for me to taste for you. Okay, let me let you get a closer look at that. I'm going to cut it in half so that you can see the inside. Let me do that. If I can get out in one piece, I don't know. So this is what the inside is looking like. Okay. How about that? Oh yeah, that's looking good. And let me show you the inside of the pot that's in the pan. Okay. That'd be a nice breakfast, wouldn't it? So you see how when you don't mix the blueberries in together, you can still see the color of the loaf, right? And the blueberries, it's not all gray. That's what you want, presentation like that, okay? Oh yeah, that'll work. Okay, let me get a fork and taste. Okay, let's taste. It's very good. It's soft. If you like sugar, I think you might need some sugar. For me, it's okay because I don't really like sugar anymore. I used to love it. But if you really like sugar, you might want to add, I think a half a cup would be fine. Okay? I love it, love it, love it. Love the flavor, love the softness. it is really good. And who'd knew that you could make a loaf out of that, right? Okay, I like it. Hope you like it. Talk to you soon, okay? Thumbs up. Thank you. Bye-bye.